I've seen a couple of videos lately talking about Helium Mobile, and the one big thing sticks out about them. They offer a completely free plan. Okay, so you're probably thinking like, that doesn't seem possible. You must have to enter your credit card in, right? Well, funny enough, no was the answer when I started typing the script for this video, but funny enough, before I was about to hit record, I received an email saying that they were going to start requiring a credit card to sign up. However, they still say the plan is free. Is it still really free, or does it almost seem too good to be true? You're probably thinking that this doesn't really make any sense now. Like, how does this company make any money? Well, they offer a free plan. Yes, but it's 3 gigabytes of data per month for free, but they also have an option where you can pay $7.50 for every extra gigabyte of data that you need after the original 3. So they can make a little bit of money per month that way. Basically, they have free plans, but they do also offer the option to upgrade, hence why they probably now require you to use a credit card when you sign up. In addition to the free plans that I was talking about earlier, they also offer entirely paid plans for $15 or $30 per month, which is also a very affordable price. It's kind of surprisingly affordable considering the top paid plan is just $30 per month. That's probably cheaper now than what a lot of you are paying. Also, a pretty interesting note on the free plan is that it does not offer unlimited talk and text. Can't say I'm surprised that on a free plan that was the case, but when is the last time that you have seen a plan that doesn't say unlimited talk and text? I can't really think of one ever, actually, and I look at a bunch of phone plans basically every single day. Anyway, so that's your little intro to Helium Mobile, and I plan to go into more depth in future videos. The purpose of this video is I would like to activate the free plan and see if it's really free, see how they can offer this free plan, check out their app, check out their website, and basically just see what is up with Helium Mobile. If you're interested in activating and following along with me, I will leave a link down below for you to check out in the top pinned comment and description. Okay, so now I'm going to activate Helium Mobile directly and kind of see what's up with the service. So I'm going to click the link that I provided or go directly to their website, and it looks like it wants me to get the app right away. So I'm just going to click get and actually install the app. It's a somewhat smallish app, under 172 megabytes, so it downloaded fairly quickly, and now we're going to open it. So I actually don't have an account or anything with Helium Mobile right now, so we're going to be starting from scratch. So welcome to Helium, prices starting at $0 a month. That's great. I'm gonna click get started. Okay, it says welcome to the party. I am just gonna click tell me more, and I'm going to choose the 0 plan because that is the 100% free plan. So at the bottom it looks like it says choose 0 free, so yeah, I'm gonna click that. And then I like to sign up with Apple. I think it's kind of just the easiest and most secure way, but otherwise if you don't want to sign up with Apple or Google, you would just enter your email down there. I'm just gonna click sign up with Apple. Okay, and now it says it looks like I need to enter in some of my own personal info. So there's my name, my billing address, and then the credit card. So it does in fact make you enter in the credit card. So my name, it already put that in there. You'll want to make sure you use your government ID one or the one that's on your actual identity. And I'm gonna click search address and type in my address. Once I started typing in my address, it came up kind of at the top, which I can click, and then everything kind of auto-filled with like the city and state and zip code. And then you do have to check the I allow Helium Mobile to automatically bill my card each month. So I'm gonna click that, and then I also prefer to use Apple Pay. If you don't have Apple Pay or you just wanna use a physical card, you would enter that below. And this is where it's kind of a little bit interesting because it did say before it was free, but technically it's $1.10 because of some of these different types of fees. So every sort of state that you're in, if you're in the United States, will be a little bit different, I would assume, but yeah, there's 30 cents of processing fees, another cent of some wireless fee, some sales tax, and then some police and fire state surcharge fee. So I'm kind of interested to know if you're activating, like how much it is in your state, but I'm gonna click that I agree to the terms and that I want to consent to receive electronic communication, and then I'm gonna click confirm and continue again at the bottom. Okay, so now I think I've activated my account, but I actually need to install the eSIM, so there's no actual service yet on my phone, so that's kind of an important step. So let's install the eSIM. You could do that by clicking that big fat install button at the bottom. They want to send me notifications. I'm just going to click allow with that. It's asking me if I'm enjoying Helium Mobile. I mean, I literally just signed up, but I'm gonna click yes, sure, whatever. Okay, looks like there's a part that says what's next and activate my eSIM. So to actually use the service, I have to keep doing this. So click activate my eSIM. And then this is always kind of interesting. So there's a couple of different options. You want to either use eSIM, which is kind of immediate. You can order a SIM card in the mail, which it says you'll get between 5 to 7 business days. And then you can install the SIM card once you've actually received one. But I'm gonna be using eSIM. That's actually the only option that I have on my phone. So I'm gonna click use eSIM. If you need a physical SIM card, or that's kind of what you prefer, you would have to click one of the other two options. But I feel like most people are going to be eSIM, so I'm gonna click eSIM. Okay, so now there's this install your SIM, and you can either click let's begin or verify your phone is eSIM compatible before continuing. I'm just gonna click this to show you, but this step is kind of optional. Looks like this just brings you to an article on Helium Mobile's website, and then you could actually see if your phone is compatible. So if you have iOS, you can go to settings, general and about. If you have Android, it looks like you can go to settings and then tap network. Just follow those steps. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go back into Helium Mobile and click let's begin at the bottom. Looks like it's asking me to confirm my emergency address, and this is the same as the address that I just provided, so I'm not actually going to change it, but I will click confirm address at the bottom. And now you have two different options. You can either get a new number or transfer over an existing number. So I'm not personally bringing over a number. I just want to try it out on a brand new number. So I'm gonna click get a new number, start fresh with us. Otherwise, if you have a phone number that you like and you want to bring it over into this service, you can click the second option there. But again, I'm gonna click the first. So yes, it will be $1.10, and this is the amount that is charged every single month, even on the free plan. But I'll be honest, $1.10, I would consider that basically as free as you could possibly ever get. I mean, that's essentially nothing. So it's not free, although it's extremely, extremely cheap. So earlier I already entered my credit card in using Apple Pay, so they already have it. There's nothing else really to do. I just have to click pay and activate at the bottom. So I'm gonna do that now. And now it's asking me to install my Wi-Fi profile. Our Wi-Fi profile allows you to connect to thousands of Helium hotspots automatically for secure, high-speed access. Looks like I don't really have an option, so I'm just gonna click add Wi-Fi profile at the bottom. And now it's saying Helium Mobile wants to add a Wi-Fi hotspot network, so I'll click allow. So now it's asking me to either install my eSIM or install it manually. The first option I think is easier, so I'll click install my eSIM at the top, and then it will bring you into the cellular settings on your phone. And here it says activate your eSIM, so I need to click activate. And again, now here it just says it will take a minute. Looks like that only took literally like 2 seconds. I didn't even have time to read what it said. So activate eSIM, let's click continue at the bottom. Okay, so that was actually pretty fast. Now it says cellular setup complete, and it's now active on my iPhone. So I'm going to click done at the bottom. So I'm going to go back to the Helium Mobile app and then click I've completed this step at the bottom. Okay, and this is definitely a good thing to know. It says your eSIM can only be installed once. If you remove it or delete it from your device, you won't be able to install it again without contacting support. Why is that the case? That's kind of weird, I'll be honest, but I don't know, whatever. Let's click okay, I understand. And congrats, you're connected and my number is blah, 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 blah. It's funny to note that I actually didn't have an option to pick a number. Generally with when I activate a service, usually you actually can pick a number that you want. Didn't ever have that option, but okay, I'll click complete. And I saw that Helium Mobile had something about cloud points. I don't really know what that's all about yet, but I got 70 cloud points for connecting my eSIM. It looks like you can use them for gift cards, donating to charity, and so much more. Okay, sweet, thanks. I'll click that at the bottom. So now that I've actually activated the phone app, I just want to actually look in the app and kind of see what's in here. So it says on the main screen here that I'm on the 0 plan, which is the free plan other than the taxes and the fees, but whatever, the data resets in 30 days. So I'm gonna click add-ons and see kind of what else is in here. So it looks like you have a couple of options. You have a data boost, you have international calling, international roaming, and unlimited talk and text. I'm just gonna click into one of these and kind of see what it's about. Okay, so this is kind of neat. So it looks like while the plan that I have is free, you can add on things to it. So for an extra $5 a month, I can get unlimited calling and texting. So let's see how much international roaming is. So that is $15 per gigabyte. So that is actually fairly expensive, but again, that's if you're traveling abroad. International calling is $10 for an hour, so that's interesting to know. Data boost is you can add more high-speed data. That is $7.50 per each gigabyte. So that's kind of what I mentioned earlier. On the base free plan, you have 3 gigabytes per month. If you need more than that, it's $7.50 per gigabyte. Okay, and that's the add-ons. Usage, I always kind of like these. So this is pretty cool. You can see exactly how much data you've used. You don't really ever have to guess what it's like. You just always have this here, which is just pretty cool. You can see how much you're using, and then you could also manage a plan. So it looks like in here you can change which plan you have if you want to do that. Otherwise, you could manage a group. So you have 7 people that you can be in a group with. I don't really know what that's about. You also can manage your SIM, which it looks like you can switch to another device or actually order a SIM card. This is the cloud store, so I can spend some points and I can refer some people. So it looks like I have some settings, and in here I could contact support or enable multi-factor authentication, something like that. So yeah, that's some of the settings in the Helium Mobile app. And congrats, now you have activated Helium Mobile. Overall, I'd say the process went pretty smooth, and I'm looking forward to trying out the free plan over the next couple of weeks, getting ready for my full review coming up. Subscribe and like if you haven't already so you don't miss it. Have you tried Helium Mobile? What plans would you like me to try next? Let me know, and I'll definitely take your considerations into my future uploads. If you are considering trying out yourself, I will leave an affiliate link in the top pinned comment and description. Using those links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. As always, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope your day is as pleasant as you are.